Yeah, I'm just great and amazing. And what about you, Mr. Nawal?
Yes, I'm
How are
also
you?
fine. Thank you so much for asking.
Yeah. Thanks for just coming. Okay, I just invited you to mail, and you have just appeared here. Okay,
Yes,
just I have just said mail to so many people, and thanks for giving me a response. Right, you are such a nice person. Right. Yeah.
it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Okay, so as we are new to each other, so it would be better if we start with our introduction. So, would you like to give your introduction first?
Yeah, definitely. Myself, I'm Ramakrishna Patan, and I stay in Kalyan, nearby Mumbai. Okay, and I'm holding a bachelor's degree. And right now, what I do right now, I can't disclose, right? Because I'm just going through lots of ups and downs, and I'm doing multiple things. Okay, and I will disclose okay, after getting. Actually, it's a $1 million question that what I do. I will just disclose that after just getting 1 million subscribers. I know it's a long way to go, but I think that is slowly and steady, I will win the race. That is what I just see. Okay. And what about you? Would you like to introduce to my audience?
Yes, yes, sure. Why not? So, my name is Naval, and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And if I talk about my profession, currently I am working in a company as an e-commerce executive, and I have been working in this field more than 3 years. And
Wow.
apart from this, I am working on my English, and that's all about me. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're working in an e-commerce company, right? So what are your products and what actually you sell there?
Okay. So we deal in home furnishing category. So we sell home furnishing items like bed sheets, cushion cover, blankets on
Hmm.
different marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio. And
Wow.
if I talk
Yeah.
about my roles and responsibilities, so I am responsible for listing products on those marketplaces and
Hmm.
handling customer pickups and returns, and I have to manage inventory as well. I have to do order process as well. So I
Okay.
do such kind of work. Yeah.
Yeah, great. So, is it your means you have to just for how much duration do you spend okay, while just working in that company, right? Means is it you do online work or you just go to field? Means is it a field work or something?
I'm about to complete 2 years, I guess.
Okay. Okay, not an issue. Okay, yeah, you are having 2 years of experience. Okay. That is nothing. Actually, I have just asked question something different, and even I have you just got confused a little bit. It's not an issue. Yeah, okay.
Before this, I worked in another company.
Mhm.
Yeah, but the company was in same field. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. Not an issue. So, can you just tell me about your YouTube experience? Right now, you're just quite senior to me, right? I am just new to this all YouTube experience, right? This is my just a second video. So I would like to know about that. Means what process you do, right? Okay, means how do you just get the time okay, to just record all the kind of work and you're just working also and you record session then you upload and how much time do you spend on just recording this session and how much time do you provide to just learn English, right? So yeah, can you just tell me?
Yes. So as I told you, I'm a working professional, and to be honest, I don't get that much time. And so whenever I get free time, I try to utilize that time, and in
Mhm.
that time, I record conversational videos, and I
Okay.
that time and after that I edit them and I put on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I don't put a lot of efforts because
Mhm.
I'm also
So
beginner like
okay. So, are you a professional editor or just you just do some basic editing or some?
it's basic editing. I'm not an expert. I'm not pro editor.
Okay. Yeah, even okay, I have to learn the editing. Because I don't know anything about editing, right? I'm
Yeah,
just editing to a thumbnail and I'm just putting that, taking the Skype recording. That is what I'm just doing right now, right? So I think I will have to just learn a little bit more at editing. Okay, so then only my I will get more views okay on my videos, right? Isn't it?
thumbnail. I guess thumbnail plays a vital role in like if you put good thumbnail on your video,
Yeah.
so people will likely to click on your video.
Definitely. That is also important. And will you give me some more tips about, okay, what should I do just do to get more audience or subscribers, right? Yeah. So what you do actually? No, don't tell me, but what you do, okay, to just get more subscribers, or you're just uploading every day, okay, one video. That is what you are doing, right? Tell
So
me.
it will happen gradually. It will happen gradually. Like like whatever conversation you are having, it should relate with your audience, and they should watch it. At least 2 3 minutes. Here, with like if you are like if you have recorded like 15 minutes video, so they should watch it at least
Yeah.
4 to 5 minutes. Then you will get
Yeah. Yeah.
more reach.
Mhm.
Then yeah, then
Okay.
your video will get more views. So it
Okay.
depends on watch time. The more people will watch your video, the more
Mhm.
your video goes viral.
Okay. 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 So I will have to just find, okay, the people who can just watch. So do you send your YouTube video links to your friends or something, or you just upload it and you just don't tell anyone?
I do not send any link to my friends because,
Okay.
because when you send because they are not your like target audience. If you
Yeah.
send them your video, so they will not watch it because they don't want to learn English. Do you
Yeah.
like we don't know if they want to learn English or not. If you will send your videos them, they will not. I think they will not watch your video because
Okay.
yeah, they can watch it in like one like for first time, but maybe if you
Yeah.
send them
Yeah.
again and again, so they will
Definitely.
not watch it, and they will uh they will waste your like watch time. They will ruin your watch time.
Yes, definitely. They will means all your efforts will just go in vain. That is what you want to say.
Yes,
I
yes,
just
yes,
got it. Yes, yes, definitely. No, I'm just asking because I also want to do, okay, some other
yeah.
such kind of activities to get more attention from
But do
people,
not. I
right?
would recommend you do not send any like links and to others like which is not which is not related to your niche.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. No, no, I'm just more focused on this English speaking content only, right? Having this conversation and everything will be related to English. But thanks for just giving me suggestion, right? I will definitely implement it then, right? Because I have not sent links to anyone, but I was thinking, let's send it to my community. Okay,
yeah.
but thanks for giving me suggestion. I will definitely implement
Yes, yes. Create your community. Like if there are many people, who wants to learn English. Yeah, there are many
that.
people who want to learn English, so they will automatically reach to your video.
Yeah.
So you
Okay.
don't have to put a lot of efforts. Gradually, you have to put videos. What you have to do, you have to
Mm-hmm.
put videos on your YouTube channel, and
Mm-hmm.
definitely they will work.
So every day you upload a single video, or how much time does it take to upload? Means 2 days or the gap? How much gap is there?
No, I do not use every day. So whenever I get time and I record,
Hmm.
video. So after that,
Okay.
I feel that it should be on my channel. Then I will,
Hmm.
after that, I will upload that video.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because you are just a
Otherwise, if
hardworking
I
guy.
don't feel, otherwise, if I don't feel that, if this is, I don't want to put this video on my YouTube channel, then I won't.
Okay. So are you just staying with your family right now, or just alone right now?
So I'm living with my family. So
Okay,
my house is my house is 40, I think 34 kilometers far from here where I work.
okay. Okay. So it's
So
quite a distance, right? Yeah.
I have to go to like I travel by bus, so
Okay.
I up down every day.
Yeah. So during that traveling also, you might be just going through all English content. That's what I, yeah, definitely, because you have to upload and you have to ask questions. You also have to keep on updating yourself, right?
So there is a one other YouTuber as well. There is a one other YouTuber
Okay.
as well. Like
Yeah.
Ram. He's from
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah. Yeah. But I'm not from Tamil Nadu, brother. I'm from Karnataka. But right now I'm staying in Maharashtra, right?
Do,
Yeah.
do you know him? Ramachandran.
Yeah.
Ramachandran.
I have seen his videos also, right? I have just seen, yeah, most of his videos. Okay. And he's also an inspiration, right? To everyone, right? Yeah. He's also making really beautiful videos. Yeah. So yeah, he's
Yes,
getting
I
really
have
good
done.
subscriber base.
Yes, I have done one video with him.
I have seen your videos also, right, with him. Yeah,
How
definitely.
did you
If yeah, tell me.
so how did you get my video? Like how did you reach to my video?
See, I just keep on seeing everyone's videos, right? Who are just uploading conversation videos, no? I just see Shantamam videos, then Arana, that small lady, small, just 3-year-old, not 3 year, third standard kid, then Jadu. So I just keep on watching, even Ram, and then I might have just seen your video, right? And
Recommend. Okay,
then
so it is.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe it was recommended by YouTube to
Yeah,
you.
if you start watching one video, no, all you get start getting recommendations one by one, right? And yeah, so that's why, right? I just got the recommendation, and then I just went to your channel, and this I got your email ID, and that is how I just approached you, right?
Okay. So thank you so much for like sending an email, and I'm very happy
Yeah,
to meet you. Great, it was.
yeah, definitely. You are really such a beautiful person and really humble human being, right? You are sharing all your secrets, and I'm also happy. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. Okay, just to have a
I do not
great
want
talk.
to keep any secret because what will I do to keep?
Yeah, no, what you're doing, right? But people don't tell, no, right? People
Yes,
they just try to just keep those secrets with them, right? But they don't understand. If we just tell everything, how do you do, what software you use, right? Then
yes,
everyone will grow together, right? We have to just support each other, right? That is how every YouTuber is just growing, right?
yes. We should support to each other.
So definitely. So
Would you like
would
to
you
ask?
like to ask? Oh, you're asking the same question, right? Yeah, I think it's time to wind up, right? Even I have some other tasks to do, right? And it
Sure.
was really great talk, right? Yeah, and I just enjoyed it a lot, right? It was really beautiful.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time
Yeah,
and
yeah.
have a great day.
Yeah, thanks, Noel, right? It was really great. Yeah.